In this video I'll show you how you can connect to your device on TeamViewer and not have it ask for your password or to access it in presentation mode only, where you can just point your mouse on the screen and you cannot really control the other device. So at the moment, if you connect to another device, that device will ask you for permission. So if I'm connecting from this computer to another computer, that other computer will say something like, oh, do you want to enable access for this person? You would have to click yes, but the main problem is that I have already set that computer as easy access and given full rights to this computer to access it. So it's not working. Basically, it's asking me for a password or an extra confirmation, even though it has been set already to connect seamlessly, easy access, one click, go, and you're connected. So what we need to do is go inside TeamViewer. As you can see, here is my ID, password. Go to home. So you are here on the home page. This will be the same on Windows, so don't worry because I'm using a Mac. You'll have to go at the bottom here. Let me make this smaller so that you can see. So you go here to settings. Basically this is the same on Linux and Mac OS and Windows. You go all the way down to advanced settings. Here you open advanced settings and you will look for access control. So here at access control you open this option menu and you choose full access, because this was set on view and show, or maybe custom settings or whatever you had before. It would not let you control the device without giving an extra step of approval on that remote device. So after doing that, you click apply and you're all done. So now your device should not ask for a confirmation, should not go into presentation mode, and so on and so forth. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, say hello in the comments, and I'll catch you in the next video. Goodbye.